Alright, so we're going to look at a scatter plot now of some different points that you can use, and this is almost real life, but not quite.
Yeah, it's, I mean, this is
real life stats.
One of the places that you use math is statistics. That's, if you think you like math, that's an option for a major someday, is statistics. So we want to draw a scatter plot of the data, describe the strength and direction of the correlation between subscribers and average local monthly bills. So since we want the correlation between subscribers and average local monthly bill, that's what would make our X and our Y for our scatter plot. So make this for column X and this one Y. We're going to just ignore the years. So we need to make a scatter plot.
And we could use the years and ask different questions, but right now we're not using them because that's not the question asks for.
Right. So we need some kind of scale. Like for our X's, we go from 69.2 to 158.7. So we could start at 60 and go up by 20s.
It's a good call.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to like play around and figure out what works. If you don't pick the right scale the first time, that's why we use pencils in math. You just erase it and start over, right?
Not a problem.
Then this other one, we could start at 35 and go by 5s. Your scale does not have to be the same. There are times when it's helpful for it to be the same.
But when you're talking about one side of your scale is in hundreds and the other side isn't, there's no need to have the same step.
Right. So now we need to draw these points out. So like 69.2 comma 39.43 would be about here. We just draw our points where they would be.
Best rough guess. That's not going to be exact, and that's okay. It's a scatter plot.
Yeah. But if you want an exact one,
then check out the calculator that's going on the screen right now. We're going to show you exactly how to build a scatter plot and look at it on your calculator. All the keystrokes are highlighted for you at each click of the button so that you can see. This has got a pretty strong positive correlation, Mr. Stevenson.
Pretty strong and pretty positive. And we know it's strong because it's very close to what a line through that would be, and it's positive because it's going up from left to right. So when we're typing in our calculator, we can find the linear regression model for the data.
And you'll check it out right now, and you'll see that the linear regression tells us that the equation is going to be y equals 0.122 times x plus 31.2306.
It also tells you on there your R value, and if you look, your R value is like 0.98,
0.99.
So that's how strong this is, very strong. Use the linear regression model to predict the average local monthly bill when there are 200 million subscribers. Well, since subscribers is X, we plug that in for X and figure out what it is.
I got 55.63.
We're going to call that good.
And you'll notice in 2 places on your screen right now that you've got the same information going in.
And that would be dollars. That's the estimated average local monthly bill.
With all those folks.
With all those folks. Thanks.